berry juice, smoothie, and ice cream. A trio of delights. Berry juice. Preparation. Select berries. Choose a variety of fresh berries, such as strawberries, blueberries, raspberries, or blackberries. Wash thoroughly. Rinse the berries under cold water to remove any dirt or impurities. Juice. Feed the berries through a juicer. Strain. Optional if you prefer a smoother texture. Strain the juice to remove any seeds or pulp. Health benefits. Antioxidants. Berries are rich in antioxidants that can help protect against cell damage. Vitamins and minerals. They contain essential vitamins and minerals, including vitamin C and potassium. Fiber. Berries provide dietary fiber, which aids digestion and promotes satiety. Berry smoothie. Preparation. Combine ingredients. Blend a mixture of berries, yogurt, Greek or plant-based, liquid, water, juice or milk, and optional sweeteners, honey, maple syrup, or agave nectar. Add-ins. Customize your smoothie with protein powder, nut butter, or spinach for extra nutrients. Health benefits. Nutrient-dense. Smoothies offer a concentrated dose of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Hydration. They provide hydration, especially during hot weather. Convenience. Smoothies are easy to prepare and can be enjoyed on the go. Berry ice cream. Preparation. Make a base. Create a base using cream, milk, sugar, and egg yolks. Add berries. Fold in a mixture of mashed or pureed berries. Churn. Churn the mixture in an ice cream maker until it reaches a frozen consistency. Health benefits of berry juice. Antioxidant powerhouse. Berries are packed with antioxidants, including anthocyanins, which give them their vibrant colors. These antioxidants can help protect cells from damage and reduce the risk of chronic diseases. Vitamin C boost. Berries are a good source of vitamin C, a powerful antioxidant that supports immune function and collagen production. Fiber-rich. Berries contain fiber, which can aid digestion, regulate blood sugar levels, and promote satiety. Heart health benefits. The antioxidants and fiber in berries can help improve heart health by reducing cholesterol levels and lowering blood pressure. Brain health support. Some studies suggest that berries may help improve cognitive function and reduce the risk of age-related brain diseases. Tips. Combine berries. For a more complex flavor profile, try mixing different types of berries in your juice. Add sweeteners. If you prefer a sweeter taste, you can add a splash of natural sweetener like honey or maple syrup. Consider other ingredients. For added nutrients and flavor, you can incorporate other fruits, vegetables, or herbs into your berry juice. Drink in moderation. While berry juice is healthy, it's important to consume it in moderation as part of a balanced diet. By enjoying berry juice, you can benefit from the natural sweetness, antioxidants, and nutrients that these delicious fruits offer. Thanks for watching.